What impact did Will have on my case? Will and his team were the case. They were the ones who represented me. They were the reason that there was no probable cause found. I'm a field grade officer in the United States Army with almost 20 years of service. I joined the Army to be a better leader, to propel myself further from where I started my career, where I started my youth, into what I wanted to finish my life at. And so this was a jump start to learn the leadership skills and test myself and become a better person, a better leader, and then give back to my country at the same time. Unfortunately, I was falsely accused of sexual contact against a local national in a European theater. After CID investigated me, my initial concern is who has my back? Who has my interest? Because right now it's me against the allegations, which is me against the entire United States Army. Who is going to be there to represent me? That was my concern. Who is going to tell my side of the story? Everything is new to me in this situation. And so I needed to call somebody who I could trust. I need to talk to them and understand that they know both the law, they know me, and they're going to represent my case and my interests and bring the truth to light. Who worked on my case? Primarily, Will Helixon worked on my case, and he's assisted by John Caldwell. First, Will provided me the comfort that I needed and reached out as a friend before we even got to the legal perspective, which when you're dealing with this much pressure is very important, and because you have nobody else on your side. After that, Will ran down the list of legal services that he could provide and what he's willing to do to represent me. I'm not a legal expert, but I knew that I needed somebody to tell my side of the story. And so Will volunteered to jump on a plane, come to my location, interview me, interview people who know me. He actually went to the crime scene. He went to the alleged crime scene. He took photos. He interviewed the owners of the establishment. And he basically proved how all of the allocations were not even feasible by looking at the evidence and doing a very thorough investigation, of which, again, the Trial Defense Services did not offer or could not provide on their budget. What was the outcome of my case? The outcome of my case was there's no probable cause found. Essentially, again, it's a cost-benefit analysis, but if I did not hire Will, if I did not choose him out of the 10 lawyers that I interviewed, I would not be here today to give a testimony in a successful outcome. I would be on a different path, a different trajectory in life. Everything that I'd worked for would be in shambles, and my life would be completely different. With Will, I was able to recover, move past this, and continue to excel.